Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at how to use did. We use did in three types of sentences. I did the work, I did do the work, I didn't do the work. इस तरह के तीन sentences में do का past tense did, simple past tense use किया जाता है, लेकिन उनके functions अलग अलग होते हैं. Now let's see the first one. Simple past tense of do as in did. I did my homework, मैंने homework किया. I did the sums, मैंने अपने sums किए. I did the exercises, मैंने अपनी कसरत की. I did my bit, मैंने अपना portion या अपना काम किया. This was the simple past tense of do. So this is what I did, मैंने ये काम किया. We also use did with the first form of the verb when we want to emphasize or stress something. I did go to the picnic. मैं पिकनिक पर गया था. मैं पिकनिक पर ज़रूर से गया था. So let's take a look. I did do my homework. मैंने अपना homework ज़रूर से किया था. I did go there. मैं वहाँ ज़रूर से गया था. I did call her mother. मैंने उसकी मम्मी को ज़रूर से बुलाया था. I did run across the lawn. मैं lawn के across ज़रूर से भागा था. Did plus first form of the verb, used for emphasis. The third type of sentences we use did for are the negative sentences, जहाँ हम did के साथ not या an apostrophe T लगाते हैं. I did not or I didn't do something. Negative sentences meaning मैंने ये काम नहीं किया. I did not or didn't do the work. मैंने वो काम नहीं किया. I did not or didn't hit him. मैंने उसे नहीं मारा. I did not or didn't strike the ball. मैंने बॉल को नहीं मारा. I did not or didn't lead the team. मैंने टीम को लीड नहीं किया. Please remember, did not या didn't के साथ भी first form of the verb ही use होता है. I didn't know the answer. I didn't see that coming. Now this is a very common mistake people make. वो didn't के साथ second form of the verb लगा देते हैं. I didn't knew the answer. I didn't saw what happened. So please remember that is incorrect English. You have to use the first form of the verb, both with did in the positive sentences when you are emphasizing something, as well as in the negative sentences which are more common. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope the concept has become clear. And if you like the video, please press the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon. Okay, bye.